Some of the world's most powerful trucks can be spotted rolling down highways from Europe to North America, but have you ever noticed there's a huge difference? American trucks have long noses, while European trucks often have a flat front. But why is that? Today, we dive into the design debate of Cabover versus long-nose trucks and reveal why those massive long-nose rigs dominate American roads. Let's break down the design. First, we have the Cabover trucks, where the cab sits directly over the engine, creating that flat, compact front. On the other hand, we have long-nose or conventional trucks, where the engine sits in front of the driver under a big hood, giving the truck its signature look. Cabovers are great for tight spaces. They are compact and maneuverable, perfect for the narrower roads and crowded cities of Europe. But American highways tell a different story. Wide open spaces and long-distance hauls make the long-nosed truck a true king of the road, with its spacious cabin and aggressive stance. So, why did this difference in design happen? It's all about regulations and infrastructure. In the US, truck length regulations only apply to the trailer, leaving manufacturers free to make the cab as long as they want. This allows long-nosed trucks to thrive. Meanwhile, in Europe, stricter overall length limits mean truckers opt for Cabover designs to maximize cargo space. And let's not forget the roads themselves. In the US, those vast open highways allow for larger vehicles, while Europe's older, narrower roads favor more compact designs for easier maneuvering. Here's where things get interesting. In the US, many truckers are owner-operators, meaning they own their trucks and often live in them for weeks at a time. These drivers aren't just looking for a way to haul cargo. They need a mobile home on wheels. And that's where the long-nose design really shines. With long-nose trucks, drivers get larger cabins with more legroom, sleeping quarters and even space for creature comforts like mini fridges and entertainment systems. It's all about making those long hauls more comfortable and manageable. Compare that to the Cabover, where space is tight and every inch counts. But comfort isn't the only factor. Safety is key. Long-nosed trucks place the driver further from the front of the vehicle, creating a crumpled zone that can protect the driver better in the event of a frontal collision. In contrast, Cabover drivers sit right above the engine, offering less protection in a crash. Now let's talk about something every trucker cares about: maintenance. When you're on the road, time is money, and for an owner-operator, minimizing downtime is critical. Long-nosed trucks offer easier access to the engine, which means quicker repairs and less time off the road. The engine isn't crammed under the cab like in a Cabover. It's right there under the hood, making it more accessible. And it's not just about easy repairs. The long-nose design allows for larger engines, which translates to more power, torque, and better cooling. That's especially important when hauling heavy loads across the country's long, hot highways. These trucks are built for performance and endurance. But beyond the practical reasons, there's something else that makes long-nosed trucks stand out in America. In the US, trucking isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. It's no surprise that American truckers love the bold, rugged look of a long-nosed truck. Now, let's talk about a group that has a huge influence on American trucking. In the US, a significant number of truckers own and operate their own rigs. These drivers are business owners responsible for everything from maintaining their truck to finding freight and delivering it on time. But as we move into the future, could we see a shift in truck design? With the rise of trucking technologies, some are predicting a comeback for the design, even in the US. Smaller electric powertrains could reduce the need for that big, long hood, and autonomous driving systems might change the way we think about truck design altogether. Still, for now, the long-nosed truck remains an American icon, combining power, comfort and culture in one unstoppable machine. So there you have it. The story behind why American trucks have long noses and stand out on the global stage. Whether you prefer the sleek and compact or the rugged and spacious, there's no denying that each design has its place in the world of trucking. Now we want to hear from you. What's your favourite truck design? Comment below and don't forget to stay updated on all things trucking.